This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and physical connections because a live signal is the foundation. Once the modem and router show stable lights, open Wi-Fi settings on your device and pick the network name shown on your hardware. Enter the exact password. Small typos break the link. If you don't see the SSID, make sure the router isn't in guest or hidden mode and try moving closer. After connection, check the device shows an IP address so you know data can flow. You now secure and optimize the network by logging into the router's admin page. This is how you control who gets access. Once inside, change default credentials, pick WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption, and rename the SSID so it's recognizable. Update firmware to patch vulnerabilities and choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed depending on your space. Also scan for the least crowded channel to reduce interference. These changes improve performance and protect your devices from intruders. You finish by verifying coverage and reliability so the network serves everyone in your home. Run a speed test to confirm you're getting expected throughput and move the router to a central, elevated spot to reduce dead zones. Once satisfied, connect remaining devices and set up a guest network to isolate visitors. If connection issues persist, restart the modem and router first, then check your ISP status. As a final step only, perform a factory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.